Hello everyone, this is Eric with Dead with a Bond podcast, and today I have my lovely wife with me, Tamika, and we are going to be taste testing energy drinks. Now, I am a connoisseur of fine carbonated beverages. My wife, you're a coffee person, right?
Absolutely.
What are your favorite places to get coffee?
Definitely Starbucks.
Not a surprise.
Yeah.
But when it comes to energy drinks, I'm a zero sugar person, so this is not, we're like rating caffeine or anything like that, but we will share that. But it's always a 0 calorie, 0 sugar ones for me. And we got a different lineup here. We're gonna be doing 5. And the first one we're starting with, this sort of started it for me. This is the Celsius Essentials here. This is mango. This is like the first mango flavored one I ever had. And then I was just sort of interested in what the mango flavors of others were. Now this one, I don't know if any of you have had it, but this has 270 milligrams of caffeine. So you don't want to shotgun this thing if your tolerance is really low.
Yeah.
So you might want to just sip on it throughout the day. We're going to just be pouring little sips. We're not going to consume all, 1,000 calories? It's like a whole gram of caffeine. Not going to be doing that.
Yeah.
So just a little bit here in our little mugs. So you see this one's got a nice fake mango color along with the flavor. So smells good.
Yeah. It smells like soda.
So mango soda for her. Remember, 270 milligrams of caffeine. I like it. It's not overly sweet. It's that basic mango flavor you're gonna get. No aftertaste for me. I started with this one because, like I said, this is like a base. I do have some that are multi-flavored, like a mango passion fruit and a mango sorbet. So I wanted to start with a regular one so you get an idea of what basic mango is, and then a combination flavor.
Okay. Well,
So-
this one you said is your favorite, right?
Yeah, this is
Okay.
one I go to the most because this is the one I know,
So that'll be my baseline. All right. So this is
Perfect, yeah. That's what I wanted. This would be your baseline. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you like the mango flavor?
mango flavor. Maybe I'd say about a 7.
7? Okay.
It's not as pronounced. I would say it's not overpowering.
I'd give it an 8, because it's one of my favorites. It's not goated for me. I do have a list of goated ones. It doesn't matter what flavor it is, but I love those flavors. So it's like, I would call this a gatekeeper, not 8 on a scale of 1 to 10. So most of these are 200 milligrams of caffeine. The next one by Monster's not. It's only 150. So a little bit less caffeine. Now we're gonna see what its flavor is like.
What's the name of this one?
Now, this one, the classic Monster can that we all know and love, this one is Ultra Fiesta Mango. So this should taste quite festive. It has a little bit darker color here, or maybe, yeah. But 150, so like if you're not gonna be doing a heavy workout, you could shotgun this, but I would, my tolerance is high. I could shotgun this and I'll be fine. I'm not gonna end up in the hospital or anything. Now I like this one, even though it's not what I normally grab. It's based on availability too, because mango's not like your flavor you're gonna find in every gas station or Walmart or Publix. But this has more of a citrusy taste to me, but still mango.
Yeah. This one definitely has more of a stronger mango taste. So if we were just rating on the mango flavor, I'd probably put this one at an 8.
I'd give this one 8, maybe a 9. Maybe that spiciness is the fiesta part of it. Really good. But I like this one. Once again, 0 sugar. So yeah, I would if I don't see the Celsius Essential, I would easily grab the Monster one. So we have a 7 and an 8 from Miss Tamika so far. Next, I don't know if many of you know about this one. I don't see it advertised as much as the other one, but this is not Reign's primary line. It's Storm, Clean Energy, artificial, I guess we would say, but still, just mango. I don't think I've ever had this one. I saw the mango, knew we were doing mango, So I figured I would give it a whirl.
And I see the little lightning bolt. That's Gatorade.
Let's see. I don't know if this is. No, I don't think they're a Gatorade property. Yeah. No, it's just Reign Beverage Company. So
Okay.
I know Gatorade likes to implement that into their new their latest advertising, but no, it's just storm, lightning, insinuates the strength of it. But this one's 200 milligrams, so that's going to be about your average for all energy drinks is that 200. So
Okay.
once again, that same yellow consistency smell.
Yeah, the Celsius was more clear. The Monster and this one are more kind of cloudy, so I don't
Yeah.
know if that's just part of the elements of whatever they put in it. So
Yeah, like with the Monster, you have like carnitine and taurine in it and stuff like that. It's different amino acids, not significant where you're gonna, be ripped tomorrow based on, what they're scientifically studied to do. But smell, right in the same ballpark as the other one. This one's a little sweeter, just a tad sweeter.
yeah.
No Fiesta in this one, more of a sweet storm, I guess we would say. I like it. A little bit of the aftertaste, not heavy.
Yeah, it does have a little aftertaste, and it's not as fizzy either as the other two were.
Okay, I gotcha. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention to that, but that's a good point. On a scale of 1 to 10, what you gonna give it flavor-wise?
I'd probably give it a 7.
I'm gonna give it an 8. Just my palate, it tastes very similar to the Celsius. Not like identical twins, but
Yeah.
it's not. Once you taste the Monster Ultra Fiesta Mango, it's a little bit removed from these two, so it just makes this one taste more like the Celsius.
Gotcha.
All right, for our next one, we have, you'll find this everywhere, churches, hospitals, grocery stores, like Celsius is everywhere. Now, I will have to applaud Celsius. When brands come out and they make a massive amount of flavors over time, you just see those dissipate. And then just the core ones that they know people are gonna buy, then that's all you see. But from what I see in Celsius, they must be doing very well. Their flavors must be doing very well because you see all their flavors everywhere. I will say, this is not what I would grab first out of any of these. It's not a knock on them. Just to say that they'd be the last one picked, it's not me saying they're bad. It's just on their flavor palette, it's just not, doesn't really line up with mine. But this is the first of the combination one. It is 200 milligrams of caffeine. This is a mango passion fruit. Yeah, like any of these, I would. Oh, okay, this one's got more red in it. Hence the passion fruit. Nice and fizzy. You see there the passion fruit making an appearance. I like the smell.
Mm-hmm.
It's not candy-like. Like most energy drinks, they're like candy-like in flavor and smell. This one's more juice-like, wouldn't you say? But it does have a sweet essence to it.
I agree.
It is good, but this one, yeah, it sort of takes all the moisture out of your mouth too. It leaves your mouth sort of dry.
It's definitely less mango, more passion fruit,
Yeah.
but I could see this pairing well with like a Prosecco or a Moscato. Like you could make an energy drink cocktail with this. I think it would be nice.
Yeah, I could see that. You have more juice-like. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving this a 5. It's baseline. It's an energy drink. If you need caffeine and you don't care about the flavor being good or, what you want, then it's a 5.
So you're not a fan of this flavor?
Yeah, this flavor, yeah. Not a knock on the brands, just the flavor.
I like it. I've been staying in like the 7-8 range. I would give this an 8. Like I would go for this.
Okay. What would you give it when you add the Prosecco to it?
Oh, then it'd definitely be a 9.5.
Okay, gotcha.
Yes.
So, if you need any other marketing strategies on venturing into the Four Loko sector, just Ask my wife. I'm just kidding. Now, our last one here, I'd have to say this is my favorite brand. It's been for a long time. I know their stuff might taste more medicinal compared to other ones, but it's Fit Aid. This one is mango sorbet, 200 milligrams of caffeine. I'm a little disappointed because here in the Central Florida area, you could find this in Walmart, you could find it in Publix, and over the last year or two, they've gotten rid of it. I am lucky that I have a Sprouts like right down the road, and that's the one place, the only place you can find it close by, where if you want it, instead of, if you're looking to go out of your way to just get exactly what you want, then I gotta go to Sprouts. I got no problem with that. I'm just saying, come on, Publix, come on, Walmart. Solid. But yeah, I'm a fan of Fit Aid. This is 200 mango sorbet. Back to the yellow.
Bright yellow.
Yeah.
It's like neon.
Can you sense like the more medicinal? Because theirs is more like a multivitamin. You're gonna get other amino acids in the other ones, but this one's got like turmeric, CoQ10, glucosamine, vitamins B, C, D3, and E. It's got electrolytes, BCAAs, and the caffeine comes from green tea. So that's where I call it medicinal, but it's more of a natural taste. But there are flavorings in there. It's naturally sweetened. It's not artificially sweetened. So.
Did I taste the medicinal qualities? Yes, it did taste like a multivitamin.
Yeah, it's like a liquid multivitamin with caffeine in it. I like it. For my palate, I love it. But I think what might get left behind is that when everybody's palate is used to the candy, the sweet, the artificial flavor, then that becomes the norm. And then when you grab this, and this isn't what you normally get, you might be turned off on that based on what you like and what you don't like. But I like it. For me, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. I'm biased. I will say I'm biased. That's just because I like it. So.
Yeah, you've liked it for a long time.
Yeah.
Me, as someone who's just tasting it, it's pretty low on the list. But,
Now, what if I add Prosecco to it? Not a shot?
Because the fruit flavor is not very pronounced in this.
That's true.
I didn't get fruit at all.
It does taste like, I think it's like their lemon lime one. It's like their standard one. It tastes like the mango sorbet was added to that, and that original one was the base, and it was just added to it, but it didn't overpower it at all.
Yeah.
So that's why I like it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's good for you, and if it gives you good energy, then go for it. But I think I'd probably stick with that Celsius.
Okay, so are you giving this one a 5?
Yeah, I'll give that one a 5.
So now you know what to do. If you're out and about and you see both, just grab one for me and one for you, and we'll be set.
Perfect.
All right, so in first place you put the Celsius, right? Mm-hmm. This one was your favorite?
Add Prosecco, yes.
Sans Prosecco, which one was your favorite?
Sans Prosecco, I'd say actually the Monster was.
Okay, yeah, this one is pretty good. I will have to say Monster has always done to me, this line of the zero sugar ones, all of them are really good. The new guava one is the design of the can. We both come from a design background, so we don't just look at the what we're actually drinking. Like, we look at the design of the can too. Now, to me, I think it's an energy drink. Like, to me, you nailed it on the design. It does look like you just got it from Walgreens. It's just big and bold, but it's sterile. Storm, it looks like, what would you say, like an incomplete idea? Like
it looks like a mashup of a lot of ideas.
Yeah. In Celsius, like, this is like their defined style. So you see this, you know what you're getting. So they nailed it for who they are and what they want to be, But for me, the Fit Aid is first. I think I gave them 2 different scores, but I'm going to put the Monster and the Celsius tied for second. Nice. And then Storm. This might not as placed as high as some of the others, but for me, there's some of the other flavors are pretty banging. pretty good. And then Celsius, sorry. I mean, you're not the Duff of the group, but you're just in last place.
The Celsius passion fruit.
Yeah. Oh, but their strawberry lemonade one, that one's banging. That's a goated flavor for me. It's like, yeah, that one's always good. All right, so that is our review of zero sugar, not totally 0 calories. Some of these have 5, 10, or 15 calories, but zero sugar energy drinks, mango flavored. So we're gonna have another one in a few weeks. If you have a suggestion of what you'd like to see us rate, please drop a comment and a like below and let us know what we should try next. Since she's the coffee connoisseur, we might even do coffee places because we find ourselves, well, she finds herself there all the time. So thank you for tuning in, and we will see you in the next one.